Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Moonpay limit. So knowing your limit is very important because it is going to tell you how much you can pay and how much you can use it to buy and sell through the platform. So first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page itself, you are going to see the limits tab. So you can click on that and take a look at how much you can actually buy and sell on Moonpay. Now this particular tab can also be accessed by tapping on this drop down menu here on the top. After that, when you go to the settings of your account, you will be able to see that option. So you can just simply click on that and take a look at the limits that are available here for your account. Now, if you have only completed your basic verifications on Moonpay, your limit might be lower. For higher limits, Moonpay may ask for the extra documents such as your proof of residence and your additional ID checks. So whenever you make a transaction, Moonpay is going to also shows you your remaining limits right before you confirm the order. So this way you can track how much of your limit you have already used. Now the one thing that you need to remember here is limits are usually calculated here on the daily, weekly and monthly basis depending on your account's status. So checking these sections also help you avoid any kind of declined transactions. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.